We're out here with our Hungarian AP-MBP pistol. This neat little gun I recently picked up in .32 auto. Just gonna try it out, see how it works using PPU ammo. And I did get 8 rounds into the magazine. You know, it was a little rough getting the last 3 in there. And we'll see how she works. Yeah. This speed right off the bat. There, extractor's on it now. Alright, and we're at 7 yards. Let's see what we get here. Not too terrible. I'm not going to load the mag all the way up. Put 5 in at a time. Put these 2 in. Like I said, with no slide release. Even on this gun, for a .32, you can feel the recoil. A steel gun, recoil is very light. This one, I mean, it's a good looking gun. Alright. See how bad my other hand is. Go down and take a look. Okay, well, it appears we've got them all on the paper. I'm shooting, well, it's on, just I'm shooting to the left. Could be the way I'm holding the gun. Did get one in the bullseye. So let's go to the silhouette target next and see how we do. Alright. That was interesting. A 9, an 8, 2 6s, and an arm. Well, I guess if I had to, a rapid fire scenario, I would have got him, or hit him. Whether it's take it down or lethal enough, I don't really know. Yeah, these sights are microscopic. But the way the sun's hitting, I can see the front sight in the better. Again, like with any handgun, it's a matter of getting used to it. Alright, we're going to try 8 again, see if it jams up on that when I pull the slide back on it. No, didn't do it that time. Alright, so we got 8 in there. Take a look. Alright, a few more. I'll leave part of the box in case I want to carry this. Well, let's go down and look at what we did. First rapid fire shots, one there, one there, one there, 8 and a 9. Then fired a group there, again to the left, but up here, no luck. One off there, couple there, and I guess the headshots, I was way off to the left. So, probably with practice, if I had the time and the money, maybe changing around the ammo a little, try a couple different brands. I may find one that shoots better in there, but I bought that more for curiosity than, you know, an actual carry gun or something I'm going to use. Also kind of bought it because it's a collector's item. So there you go, guys. It functions. We had that there. I'll do a review of my thoughts on it in another video. Alright, thank you and stay tuned.